I just realized I didn't turn up my monitor. My apologies, guys, if y'all like, man, I can't hardly hear the game. And I just realized I had the volume low. So forgive me, guys, if you had to turn the volume up and you couldn't hear the gameplay. My bad. But I got it up now, so we're ready. Let's continue on. Alright. Let's go.
What's going on, baby?
Alright.
Hey, it's Mr. Lee.
Oh, and one more thing that I want to mention for you guys. Some of y'all may be wondering, wondering and wanted to know what's the deal with the other games, or am I going to start again the other games? Because I know some of y'all are interested in other games, and obviously I'm having too much fun with Grand Theft Auto, despite the fact that sometimes it takes me a while to pass some missions. I don't know how else to put it, but either way, as I said before, I still have fun with the Grand Theft Auto games, as I've said many times. No matter how many times the missions I have to do repeatedly. But if you guys are waiting for other games to be played, just stick around. Obviously, I'm having too much fun with Grand Theft Auto. But I will play other games for you guys, don't worry. I'm still trying to finish up The Simpsons. Obviously, I'm having a bitch of a time with that one too. But hopefully I will get The Simpsons done and over with soon. I have other games in mind, but you know me, for those of you that have been at the channel for a while, I like games to be a surprise sometimes, or at least most of the time, so I will start other games, I just don't know when. Like I said, I'm having too much fun with Grand Theft Auto right now. But just sit tight and I will play other games for you guys, so just hang on, and as always, thank you for enjoying my videos. So let's just continue on and continue on with this good session today. Alright,
What you do that
what's
for?
next?
You moron! What were you thinking? Do you realize what this means? We could all be
I don't know, the timer must have got screwed. That place was wired to go up like a firework factory. And somebody tipped out the cops, but
What's the problem, fellas?
Mike was supposed to torch some place in the mall, but he screwed the fuses, and now the cops are crawling all over it. We gotta get our stuff and get out of here.
Relax, both of you. Let me think for a second. Tommy Vercetti just doesn't cut and run. The cops are going to be going over that building with a fine-tooth comb, right? But that takes time. We got to go in and torch that place ourselves.
Yeah, but
No one but a cop could get within a mile of that place.
So we go as cops. We got to get uniforms, and we're going to need a squad car. All thanks to you, Mike.
I'm sorry.
I got it. All we gotta do is lure the cops in with the finger, put them in a lockup, and jump 'em.
Good plan. Let's go.
All right.
Okay, Lance, let's get the cops' attention.
Our buddy ain't coming with us. Guess not, it's just me and Lance. Alright. There's my taxi I came in. Alright, let's go near to the lockup so we can lure some cops in and get their uniforms. start some chaos.
I used the charge for
Wait.
that.
Lance. There's a cop. I meant to hit him. Oh, there's a cop. Hold on. Let's go.
Now, doesn't have to be like irritating.
You're in the damn way. You're all
Okay.
mine, tough guy.
Come on. Alright, I need a cop. I need another cop, please. There's one. I need another one. Hello? Here we go. Come on. Come on in, you guys.
You
Come
and me,
on
big
in.
boy.
Don't hit me. I thought there was
You're
another
safe.
cop in here. Don't hit me! Oh, you fuck. I thought you had a partner with you. Let's. I need to start some more.
You in the way, idiota!
How about. Okay, here's one cop. Didn't you have a partner or something? Don't! Well, at least I got 2 stars. You're wasting mine. Let's get your ass in here.
I'm on him.
Alright, let's go. We should have
I'm
multiple
after him.
cops now.
He's going down right now.
There we go. Damn!
Tie him up again.
Ooh, fits perfect.
Get tight around the crotch, though.
Oh, yeah, mine too. Mine too.
Move it! Move it!
Alright, I'm gonna go get some body armor. Hopefully they'll let me go get some body armor. I hope. 'Cause I need some body armor. Oh, there's a cop car. Here we go. So hopefully they'll let me go get some body armor. Get in the car, Lance. Come on, buddy. Get in the car. I'm waiting. You're hitting a brick wall. I'm behind the wall. Come on. Lance, where are you? Damn, Lance. Alright, I need some body armor. North. Gotta go north. North. Where to go? I need some body armor. Hopefully they don't let me go cop uniform. I hope. Find out.
Easy, brother. No
What
cop
happened
drives this
here?
bad.
Oh, yeah, they blocked off the area. Duh. Oh, this is not where I wanted to go right now. Can I cut this way? I didn't want to go here right now. I forgot. Yeah, that's inside the mall. Yeah, go north. What do I go inside the mall? Yes. Well, at least I didn't get a water level. Because we're all cops here.
Don't make me angry.
Sorry, guys. We're all cops here. But I'll be right back. We're going on work. I gotta go pick up some body armor just in case. Where the hell am I going? I don't want to ruin the car either.
Thanks. Nice one.
Fuck. You know what? Fuck it. I really do want to get some body armor. I wonder if they'll let me get some body armor in here.
Remember, smile at the other cops.
Hey there, officer. Nice badge. Nice badge.
Real smooth, Lance.
I hope. We're gonna find out. Where is... I hope they let me get something. We're gonna find out. What is this? Grenades? Yeah, grenades. Cool. Shotgun away. Don't want to be suspicious. Alright, what was the agenda? Just go. Alright, here we go.
Okay, timers are set. 5 seconds and ticking.
5 seconds. We got to get the hell out of here.
Make it out. Oh boy. Alright. This is gonna be fun. Go, just go, Tom. Go, Tommy. Let's get your ass out here. So, Tommy, Lance, get in the fucking car. Let's go. I'm just a taxi driver. Oh. So that's great. The tires off. Oh, there's my tires. Oh, dude, come on. You big time about this, you bastard. Oh, I need the car. I'm getting smoky. Vance, come on, buddy. Can I jump up there? Well, if he would hurry up and get his ass out here. You stupid Lance. This is why I hate working with Lance. He's so fucking stupid.